Are you looking for a follow me drone? In this video, I will show you the 5 best follow me drone based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the DJI Mavic Air. Mavic Air was built to go wherever adventure takes you. Inheriting the best of the Mavic series, this ultra-portable and foldable drone features high-end flight performance and functionality for limitless exploration. The Mavic Air shoots video at an incredible 4K 30 frames per second, recording at 100 megabits per second to capture every second with UHD quality. As tall and wide as a smartphone when folded, the Mavic Air is an ultra-portable drone that stretches the boundaries of what's possible for a device its size. The 4th product on the list is the DJI Phantom 4. Visionary intelligence, elevated imagination. The DJI Phantom 4 is the smartest flying camera DJI has ever created. Able to fly intelligently with a tap, automatically create seamless tracking shots, fly intelligently over or around obstacles, and much more. Flying has never been this easy or as much fun. Sense and avoid obstacle sensors enable the Phantom 4 to sense and react to its environment. Fly with tap. Simply tap on the screen to fly the Phantom 4 in the direction you want. It will avoid obstacles in its path. Visual tracking. Lock onto your subject and track them as they move. Let Phantom 4 take care of everything. Intelligent flight support systems. A dual satellite positioning system and an enhanced vision positioning system provides the Phantom 4 with a safer, more reliable flight experience both outdoors and indoors. The 3rd product on the list is the Hubsan H501SX4. It has a 4.3-inch LCD screen on the controller, which is capable of FPV real-time transmission with a range of up to 400 m. GPS, 1080p camera, headless mode, follow me, altitude position, auto return home, low battery failsafe, real-time FPV orbit. Improves motor durability. The KV1650 brushless motor is more powerful and lasts longer than normal motors. The 2nd product on the list is the Holy Stone HS100. The foldable propellers are pre-assembled. Just insert camera, landing gears and battery. Then, get it take off. Besides, the foldable propellers makes it easy to keep the drone or take it out. You can enjoy the real-time viewing right from your remote control. Ideal selfie done, catching every moment of your vacation from a bird's-eye perspective. 5 GHz Wi-Fi enables clearer and farther FPV images transmission. The 1st product on the list is the WAKARA F210 3D. Come ready to fly, RTF. Included Devo 7 controller, HD night vision camera, 700 TVL, 5.8 GHz FPV video transmitter, OSD, 1 PC 14.4V 1300 mAh 4 cells LiPo battery, LiPo balance charger, USB data cable. Additional description. New arrival WAKARA F210 3D edition brings a big surprise of upgraded on-screen display system, which can improve 5.8G real-time transmission and racing performance a lot. And F210 3D compatible with Fotaba receiver. Main features: bow and streamlined design, standard equidistant axis design. The racer body is made of carbon fiber materials, plus a protective cover motor design, all makes the F210 series solid and anti-crash, and its flight speed comparable to F1 racing. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.